Hey everyone, welcome to this quick tutorial. Today I'll guide you through the process of uploading your exported contacts file to Google Drive using your PC. This is a great way to back up your contacts or access them from different devices. Let's dive in. First, let's open Google Drive. First, launch your web browser and then type drive.google.com in the address bar. This will take you to Google Drive homepage. If you aren't logged in yet, enter your Google account credentials to access your Drive. If you have multiple accounts, make sure to select the one where you want to upload your contacts. Once you're in Google Drive, look to the left side of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Plus New. Click on that. This will open a drop-down menu. Here, you'll see several options, including folder, file upload, and folder upload. We'll select file upload to upload our contact file. After clicking File Upload, a File Explorer window will pop up. This window allows you to browse your computer for the file you want to upload. Navigate to the folder where you saved your exported contacts file. This could be in your Downloads folder or wherever you saved it. Once you find the file, click on it to select it and then hit Open. You'll see a small window in the bottom right corner showing the upload process. This may take a few seconds depending on the file size. Once the upload is complete, you'll see the file appear in Google Drive. You can click on it to ensure it has uploaded correctly. If you want to keep your files organized, you can create a folder specifically for your contacts. Just click Plus New again, select folder, name it, and move your contacts files into it. To move the file, simply drag and drop it into the new folder. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded your contacts to Google Drive, ensuring they're backed up and accessible from any device. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more useful tips. Thanks for watching and happy organization.